together and check this together to see how this fin.do app actually work. Okay, how this fin.do site actually works, if it's really good for arbitrage, and if it has a limitation on people in this country, the country Nigeria. Yeah, okay, this fin.do app is actually okay, it's a platform where you can do card to card money transfers. Okay, you can do card to card money transfer from one card to another card, from a MasterCard to a Visa card, and their transaction is very fast, and of course it's very secure, and they are transparent with their dealings. But we in Nigeria here won't be able to enjoy this awesome privilege that this platform is bringing out yet. Okay, they are rolling out some features to enable stability and easy transaction, smooth and flexible transaction in African country, but it hasn't gotten to Nigeria yet. We are still behind these offers. Okay, good. So if you go to the platform, you will see the sites there. You will see the sites and you see the countries this platform is currently available to. Okay, you can see you can do card to card money transfer. All right, and it works in a very easy way. I've actually used it, but the limitation is what I want to bring out in this video. Okay, you can see here we have many of the countries here. We even have Nigeria there. Okay, the platform is available for Nigerian as well, but there are limitations to we Nigerian here. Until this placed limitation is removed, we won't be able to use this platform seamlessly. Okay, there are hurdles and there are limitations placed on people in Nigeria. I don't know about any other African country, but I, as a Nigerian, have actually tested out this platform, and I see what we can actually do with it and what we can't do with it. All right, now the first limitation of this app is that it's not available on Play Store for people in Nigeria. All right, for you to be able to download this app, you have to switch your location, and secondly, you have to change the email you are using to log into either your Play Store or your Apple Store. All right, if you are using an Nigerian email to log in to this Play Store, you won't be able to see this app. Even if you see it, you won't be able to download it. But if you use other countries email, like USA, United States of America's Gmail account, you'll be able to get this app there and you'll be able to download it. That is how I bypassed the first limitation and downloaded the app from the Play Store. Now let me show you an example of what I did. Now let's go to Play Store now. Alright, let's search for the fin.do app. Now I already have it installed on my phone because I've bypassed the limitation. All right, now let's say this mail I use is actually USA email. Okay, let's say I'm using a Nigerian email, my normal email. Okay, you see, if I come over here and search for fin.do, I won't see the app there. All right, I won't see the app there because it's not available in our country. But if I come to their site here and click on get it on Google Play, I will see it there. I will only see it there, but I won't be able to download it. It's showing in uninstall and open just because I've already downloaded it. If I haven't downloaded it and I'm using a Nigerian email address, I won't be able to. I will see it there, but I won't be able to download it. It will shows that it's restricted in my area, in my country. All right, that's the first limitation, and that's how to bypass it. All right, let's go to the second limitation now. Now let's say you were able to bypass the first limitation and you're able to download it. Let's open the app now. Now this is the app, fin.do. All right, I already set it up. I already set my account up. Okay, now this is the card I have on it. I've already made some transaction, and that's when I got to know that we can't actually use this for a profitable arbitrage. All right, this is the site now. Let's say I want to we want to use a Nigerian Nigeria phone number. Actually register with a United States phone number here. I register with a United States phone number. If you come over here, you will see this is okay. It's not displaying there. I actually register with a United States phone number, so that's why I'm able to get into this app. But now let's go and try using our Nigerian phone number to register. Now let's say we want to register. Okay, let me duplicate the app so you can use a Nigeria phone number and test it. All right, just stay with me while we go down here. Do our app. We are looking for fin.do, right? fin.do. All right, this is fin.do. Now we want to duplicate it now. All right, we have the second part of the fin.do now, so let's go ahead and open the second fin.do and try to access it. Yes, fin.do, man. fin.do, did I hide it or what? Seems I've hidden it. All right, do our app. fin.do is there already, so let's check for fin.do. fin.2. okay, here it is. Now this is a duplicate. Now we are opening the duplicated app. Now we will try to sign in here and see if they are going to allow using Nigerian number. Sign in. All right, let me input my phone number here and see. 70370707162. Send. Now please enter verification code sent to 070370707162. all right, I'm gonna wait here for forever, and we won't see any verification code sent to this phone number because it's still limited. We are still limited to using this platform. If we are limited to using this platform, originally it should be available on Play Store for us to download freely without going through some kind of a stress. All right, so it's not available for this country to use, even though we have it here that it's available for us, even though we have our country listed here as part of the country which this app is. Okay, we have it here, Nigeria, as part of the country that can use this app, but it's not completely available for us. You can just do some bypass and get into it. So I bypass with an American USA phone number. All right, now you can use Google Voice number to get into it, or any other number. I don't know, but I use Google Voice number. Now let's check. Let's look at what we can actually do with this card, with this app rather. So let's say we are here. This is the dashboard, right? This is the first card. This is my MasterCard to transfer to this Visa card. This Visa card is a dollar card. All right, I actually made some transaction here, as you can see here. I already made some transaction here. Okay, and exchange yeah, of course their rate is very okay, provided you're sending a bulk. Right, I tried with $7 and I got $5.59 to my card. All right, but the rate is okay, and that's the rate is okay. So let's say that I want to transfer. I already link up my card. Okay, so let's say I want to transfer, and here we come. I'm sending from this card to the second card, which is the dollar card. And if you want to know how I was able to get this dollar Visa card, right, look up the video that pop up on the screen there and watch the video all through. Create the account and submit your verifications there, and they'll give you your card. Okay, they'll give you your dollar card. You can link up the dollar card with paper. You can use the withdraw from paper, and their exchange rate is okay. Yeah, it's considerably okay. Now we want to transfer. Now let's say we want to transfer NNG. So we are transferring, let's say, 5,000 worth of naira to US dollar. This is $9.77. $9.77. The recipient will receive $9.77, while they take off a fee of $1.51. All right, now you are losing out 5,000 to get $9.77. Does it worth it? Let's go and use our calculator and check if it's really worth it. Okay, now we are having $9.77, and on that virtual dollar card that are linked to this platform, their exchange rate is 700 naira per dollar. Now let's multiply it by 700 naira times 700. Okay, that's 6,839 naira minus the 5,000 naira we lost, so we gain 1,839. And that is only because we are sending a small volume, a small amount of money for exchange of exchange of dollar. Let's say we are sending about 50,000 now. The fee is $4.4 and you get $108.43. Let's do our calculation again. You are losing now 50,000 to get $108.40 times 700. So you are getting 25,000 naira. Wow, that is wonderful. Per 50,000 naira given out, you are getting 25,000 naira as gain. Okay, your capital is there and this is your gain, 25,000 naira, almost 26,000 naira as gain. That's wonderful, and it will be very sweet to use for arbitrage if and only if they allow NGN currency transfer to USD. If you click on continue like this and I input my card details, it won't go. The reason why it won't go is because they will say temporarily, okay, transaction failed, temporarily payment system do not support transfer in chosen currency. Please try sending EUR, that's euro, or USD, that's United States dollars, between these cards. Okay, so that's the only way you can actually send. And if you are going to send using this one, then let's say we are going from US dollar to US dollar now. Let's say you are sending, okay, $50,000. The previous one we did, the exchange rate was not even up to 500, but for this now, their exchange rate is about 520 now, because you are sending dollar to dollar. Now it's about 520, so it's profitable to use. Actually, you're still gonna get about 150 naira on each dollar if you are still sending using USD to USD. But the limitation we have is that this MasterCard is actually Zenith MasterCard, and all Nigerians card are capped at $20 monthly limit, so you won't be able to spend more than $20 for international transaction. That's the limitations we have on this platform. The first limitation is that you won't even see it on Play Store if you are using if you are not going through a bypass. And the second limitation is that you won't be able to log in or sign in if you are not going through a bypass using other countries' phone number. And the third limitation is that you won't be able to send more than $20 per month. Oh, that's crazy. So if you are going to trade, you only trade $20 per month, and trading $20 per month won't actually earn you much. All right, it won't even fetch you your data. It won't even fetch you your data money. So it's actually not profitable dealing using this platform as an arbitrage platform. It doesn't work our way, except if the last limitation is removed. That is the only way you can actually benefit from this platform. The last limitation, which is removing the $20 monthly caps from all Nigerian banks, or from all Nigerian cards. Or if you have a platform that has a lesser exchange rate, like a lower exchange rate to your virtual card, okay, you can use it. And if the card allows high volume spending limit, it can actually work for you. But without that, you won't be able to enjoy this platform for arbitrage. I'm not sure if there's any other thing you can actually use this platform for. That's the only thing you can use this platform for. If you are thinking about making money online, the only thing you can use this platform for is for arbitrage. And now the limitations have cut Nigeria out of using this platform for that dollar arbitrage. Thank you so much, and I'm sure I've cleared your questions and misconception about this fin.do platform. If this video has helped you in any way, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to get notified about new video I'm releasing soon. Thank you so much. I love you all.